All right, doing the old 30-second trick, get it all filled up. One more click. Quick reset of the fuel economy. Get it going here. All right, gonna do a little off-roading. See what this thing's all about. We'll see how these do. Got them inflated to 5 psi. So there we go.
We're here?
I don't know. I think we still got a little ways to go. What do you think, Hudson?
Wait, I think that's it. I think it's that way, Dad.
No, it's straight ahead, bud.
The black sound? Wait, what way did we go last year, Dad? Can you remember?
I think we went straight. Up the trip. Well, just finishing up the trip. Truck did awesome off-road. Let's see. See, I got 13.1 for the computer. If I had to guess, hand calculated, it's typically within about a half to 3/4 mile per gallon on this truck. So figure 12.5 to 12.3 range fuel miles per gallon, 350 miles driven today. We did about, I'm gonna say about 30 miles of off-road. So not the best, not the worst. We were cruising pretty much at cruise control 80 all the way up. But yeah, the truck's awesome. It does great. It's incredible what it can do on and off road. Show you some of the different menus. Let's see. Go into measurements. There we go. Trans temps. I saw we got up to about 217, but in general 207 range, 203 on the road right now. Boost, there you go. Yep, did good. Really happy with this truck. It's been a great driver. No complaints. Something real nice you can still get in the 21 trucks is the illuminated cup holders. I don't think you can get that in the new 22 and 23 Raptors. Turn off these extra lights. Don't need these now. You can see the difference with the All right, we got back from the trip. I had a little bit of an equipment issue and unfortunately lost a lot of coverage, but as you can see, the truck is pretty dirty. We had a lot of fun. Truck worked great, no issues. Everything was solid. This thing is just absolutely a beast off-road. It's truly incredible what these trucks can do from the factory. And we got about 30 miles in. I'm curious, I'm gonna pull the airbags apart and kind of take a look at how they held up, but in general, everything looks good. Not seeing any issues. Believe it or not, that rust on the axles is just something part of the COVID era time frame of when the truck was built. It unfortunately came that way a little bit from the factory. So the rest of the truck's holding up awesome. No issues at all. There's the airbags. All right, just want to show you guys a little bit of fuel economy we got for this trip. We ended up getting 13.1 over 350 miles, which is really good considering we had about 30-40 miles of just straight two tracking, you know, high RPM, four-wheel drive, drifting the corners. We were driving, unfortunately, a little bit over the speed limit, cruised the entire trip. We had the truck loaded with 4 people and everything, and truck performed great. No issue there. So, yep, there we go, 13.1. To sum it up, I just wanted to give you guys a short video of really how the airbags did on this truck. I wanted to see if there was any abrasion or any impacts. This is the 3rd trip I've used them off-road, and they're holding up awesome. I definitely think Airlift has a pretty solid product for the Gen 3 Raptor if you're looking for a little more payload capacity and less sag when towing and truck use. This seems to be a pretty solid option. I'm going to be doing more video content off-road of this truck and these airbags here to come. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. More great videos to come.